Today I would like to share with you dehumidifier that I bought from Lowe's. Hisense dehumidifier. It has auto dry function. It removes 70 pints of moisture per day, and industry leading ultra low temperature, 38 Fahrenheit, electronic push button control, LED display, and detachable filters. Alright, it's not really heavy. Run off of 120, 110, and it's a very efficient item. Again, you can get them at Lowe's for approximately $250. Instructions manuals. Okay, there's no wireless remote. I don't see any. This is the handle, so you can easy carry this. Very sturdy. It has the wheels on it. It has a very good wheels. Anybody want to see it? That's excellent wheels. And let's see. Let's read the instruction. And before we plug this thing in and let this thing run. We're continuing on review, and we need to find a hose, water hose, if such exists. Let's see. Has this container. Let's see what the water hose is. Okay, it does have these connections on the side. Right here. So tape it. Gotta pull out tape first. Very strong tape. So it does has option for the water hose, regular garden water hose. Alright, and operates probably easier. We can double check as soon as we get that water hose over here. Water hose is attached directly to the side. And you can see it, so you can tie it from the inside. Now, when everything is tied in, place your bucket back into slots and place your drainage hose into the place where you're planning to water to be drained. In our case, it is toilet drain. We're going to use that. That's it. Something like that. Let's see how it operates. Okay, the unit is plugged and running. It's set to continuous. And you pick the mode: manual set, auto dry, and continuous. Empty bucket, high, auto. You probably set it to auto. Auto. Fan, continuous, timer, no timers, mode, we have a mode, continuous. That's it. That's it. That's only what it is. We can test it, how much water this thing can pull. Anyway, this was a review for Hisense DH70K1SLE. Thanks for watching my video.